The man who lived with almost no brain. Imagine being told by doctors that 90% of your brain is missing, and yet you can walk, you can talk, you can work, you can get married, you live a completely normal life. This is not science fiction. This is a true story that stunned modern science. About the brain is the control center of everything: thought, memory, emotion, movement, personality. It weighs only about 1.4 kilograms, and yet it controls everything we are. Science is clear. Major brain damage usually leads to paralysis, loss of consciousness, or death. But this story broke every rule. The beginning in 2007, a Frenchman in his 40s walked into a hospital. His complaint was simple: mild pain in his leg, no severe headaches, no memory loss, no speech problems. He was married. He worked a government job. He lived a normal life. No one expected what came next. The scan doctors ordered a brain MRI, a routine scan. When the image appeared on the screen, everything stopped. Silence, the discovery. The brain was almost empty. More than 90% of his skull was filled with fluid, not brain tissue. The cerebral cortex was incredibly thin, almost like a membrane. One doctor said, "We don't understand how this man is even alive. How was he functioning?" And yet the man spoke normally. He understood language. He moved without difficulty. His IQ was around 75, below average but enough for everyday life. He wasn't a genius. He was a normal human being who worked and lived. The real cause: doctors looked deeper. They found a rare condition present since childhood: hydrocephalus, a condition where fluid slowly builds up inside the skull. As a child, he was treated. Then the condition was neglected. He lived for decades without follow-up. During those years, the brain didn't disappear suddenly. It was slowly compressed. Very slow. The scientific shock. Scientists realized something remarkable. The brain doesn't work by size alone. It works by flexibility. The small part of his brain that remained reorganized itself, took on multiple functions, and learned to compensate. This ability is called neuroplasticity. Why this matters? This case changed how we understand brain injury, rehabilitation, and human potential. It proves something powerful. What we call impossible may simply be something we don't understand yet. Not a miracle. This wasn't a perfect miracle. The man wasn't superhuman. He struggled with slower thinking and mild difficulty focusing. But he was alive, and that alone shocked the world. Final question. If a human being can live with almost no brain, how much do we really know about ourselves? Are we just brains? Or is consciousness something deeper than matter? Maybe we are far more complex than we ever imagined. And so let me ask you, is the mind only the brain, or is there something else we haven't discovered yet?